Hello and welcome to a beautiful day here in equally beautiful Nova Scotia. November the 6th, the day after November the 5th, obviously, but bonfire night last night, as any of you that has watched the video that I just released will know. Guy Fawkes night, but cold weather now. We've had a couple of, I wouldn't say hard frost, it's about 0 degrees, but definite frosts, white outside, and that has started to obviously affect the different summer plants, like the dahlias that were still going and the cosmos. They've all been knocked for 6, so I've got to dig the dahlias up at least. And my poor castor bean plant grew this from a seed this year. As you can see, an absolutely beautiful, statuesque, very tropical looking plant. And this is my pool deck, and it's given a real tropical look to the pool deck, or lent it a tropical look throughout the summer, growing up to about, you know, what's that, about 8 or 9 foot. But the first frosts killed it stone dead. So I'm going to, unfortunately, have to chop it down now. But as you can see, it's looks like it's grown lots of seeds here, so hopefully I can salvage them for next year to grow some new castor bean plants. Apparently this is poisonous, I think. Actually, you can get ricin from this plant, so people get a bit worried about it, but you know, no problems whatsoever. A beautiful plant it has been, but now time to chop it down. And as you can see, the size of the trunk, or you know, the stem is already massive. So I'm going to have to use me loppers. Even they're too small. I'm going to have to go and get my saw. Timber! That is a big old stem to have grown in 1 year. Very impressed. And that's, you know, that's a sturdy piece of kit. There we go. Let's have a look at the seeds, I think. So this is the first year I've grown the castor bean. So I've got gloves on anyway, just in cases. Here's obviously the seed heads. This looks like there's the seed. So I'm going to let these dry out for a bit themselves, let them dry out, and then because that's quite soft there. I'll let these dry out and look up to see how I look after them to get them growing for seeds next year, and then I'll fill you guys in. Anyway, sad to see, but job's a good one, and that'll go in the compost. Beautiful.